I literally look like an alien. Hi! Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. What is up? It has been a minute since I have seen you. For today's video, I am bringing you a tutorial on this look right here. It is using, hang on, let me grab it for you. I am using this palette right here. It is the Jeffree Star Alien palette. If you enjoy makeup at all, you have 1000% heard of this palette, and you've probably seen it, but in case you haven't and you've lived under a rock the past couple of weeks, here she is. I love it. Love it. Love these colors. So I really wanted to play with the greens in this palette. There was just something about a palette with true greens in it that I just could not wait to get my hands on. And the next shade that I really want to play with is this purple right here, because it is a true purple. Not like a plummy purple with like a red berry undertone. Like, no. This is purple. Keep an eye out for that tutorial coming soon. Yeah, so I will teach you guys exactly how I did this look right here. Granted, it's more of like a chit-chat style video, especially since I haven't been around in a while. I wanted to kind of catch you guys up on what I've been doing, which is honestly not a lot, but you know, you girls always got some story to tell. So for those of you out there cringing, yes, I did cut my bangs myself. And yes, it is obvious. So I'm sorry if that makes you mad. I can't help it. I am too poor to pay somebody to do it for me. So let's ignore that and just jump right into this tutorial. Are we here for the party? You guys, I have been wanting to play with this palette since the day it arrived. And I am so thrilled to be playing with it now. You know, I love this palette. Like, I 1000% do. These colors just speak to me in so many ways, in so many languages. But what is this? Like, what is this? This is horrible. It is so flimsy and terrible, and I hate it. Like, Jeffree, I love you, and oh my god, I stand so hard, but like, I hate that. I hate it so much. But whatever, you know, the palette's bomb, so we'll just go with it, okay? We're just gonna go with it. This video is a mess. Hi, welcome back. I'm gonna do this eyeball. On this eyeball. I really like this eyeball. It came out good. It came out great. But we're not done. So we gotta do this eyeball. So I'm gonna be diving in with the shade Flying Saucer. I love this shade so much. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of this on a Morphe 433 brush. Bring my mirror closer because I can't see. I'm going to an eye doctor finally, guys. So, you know, I might be able to see soon. I put down concealer. Alright, so we're gonna start by putting this in the outer corner, and I'm just gonna tap it on there. Because, you know, the base is still sticky right now. And it will not blend. So, you know, just do this. I have The Office on in the background. I hope you guys don't mind. I just didn't want to sit here in silence, you know? You see what I'm doing here? Can you see? You'll see what I'm doing? I'm just tapping. And then kind of swishing like this. Doing a little swish motion. A little swisheroo. So I figured this video I would like talk you guys through the tutorial because I haven't done that lately. I've been doing a lot of voiceovers. Kind of like, you know, make it a little like chit-chatty. Because, you know, I've been gone for a hot minute. You know. Big shock there. I disappear for another 2 weeks. Haha, joke's on me. A lot's happened in these 2 weeks since I've been gone, truthfully. 3 weeks. I don't know. It's been a minute since I've been on here. So now I'm going to grab this Abduction shade, this like super lime green one on a Morphe M573. Like, I have to close an eye to be able to read. Like, this is bad. I'm going to just tap it along the edge of the other color. You know, just like this. So anyway, I've been super busy the last couple of weeks. I went to Nashville, Tennessee, in case you didn't know where that was. I had a good time. I probably won't go back for a while. I do think I was in some sort of like kidney or like liver failure type issue like towards the end, because I was there for technically 4 days but 3 nights. So, you know, I've never been there before. I didn't really know what to fully expect. I mean, I realized you kind of just go there to party. That's basically the whole reason people go there. I just didn't know, you know? I just didn't know. I fell down a flight of stairs at one of the places, so that was fun. That was, I still have bruises all over my shins from that, so a really nice man helped catch me as I was tumbling down. So that was great. And you know what the best part about it was? I hadn't even had any shots yet. I came back and just basically was a slave at work for like 4 or 5 days, something like that. I don't know. And like whenever I work, like I'm dead to the world. Like I accomplish nothing other than working because I'm usually there for like 13.5 hours. Typically I have to go back again the following days because I try to work as much in a row as I can. So I've been doing a lot of that, and then like days where I'm not at work, I'm hella busy. And there's something in my eye per usual, so that's good. What else have I been doing? Oh, like the holiday happened. Hello, that was a thing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut the crease. So I'm just grabbing this Luxie, I don't know what it is because it's like literally scratched off there. So it's like a flat brush, like, you know, one of these. It's one of those kind. And I'm just taking this like Wet n Wild concealer. But yeah, so anyway, I went home, like back to my hometown for a few days for the holiday, and I don't really film when I'm back home just because it's such a pain to take all my equipment down there and like, you know, try to get it set up, like find an area to film. Like it's just too much work. I tried to do it once and it was a big ol' fail. Speaking of big ol' fails, this cut crease right here is one of the poorer ones I've done. I think it's literally because I can't see. Ladies with hooded eyes, you see what I'm doing? Like I'm dragging this stuff way up yonder so you can see the pretty colors above like all my extra eyeball skin. Let's throw the colors onto this really quick before it dries, and then I can tell you more about my life, you know? So I'm gonna grab the shade Alien. It is like this super vibrant lime green, but it's like a shimmer in it, so I like it. And I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on it. And then I'm going to put it like right here in the middle and like up here, you know, just anywhere you feel frisky. And then Black Friday happened and I got up at 5 a.m. I hadn't slept in, and like by sleeping in I mean to like at least 8 a.m. in like, God, a week. So I was, you know, tired to say the least. I don't even think I like posted on Instagram or like anything like that, which like I realize is 100% first world problems, and like it's disgusting that I think that's an issue. But I'm taking the shade Interstellar. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like, but I don't want that to dry. Right here on the inner portion, you know, like this. This eye is turning out substantially like not as good as the other eye. You know, in the end it just always somehow works out, so I'm still hopeful. So there we go. That's pretty. Bing! I mean, that's not, but you know, up here is. And then I kind of like blend it together like this. So the Interstellar shade is this one right here. It's like champagne, but has like gold kind of greeny reflex in it. So it looks really nice with this other green color. And then what I'm going to do is take that same shade that I use, or the same brush that I use the Flying Saucer shade on, and just kind of buff around. I'm not going to add any more color, but like there's already color on the brush, so we're just going to keep working with it. And then I am going to take a smidgen more and just put it like right here to kind of help blend all this a little bit better. Oh, something exciting that did happen on Black Friday, guys. I finally upgraded my phone to the 10. Woo! She fancy, but like Face ID does not like me. I've discovered that. I'm having a really hard time with it. It doesn't recognize me a lot of the time. And I had Evan like ask the Apple people where he works, like, hey, how can we like make it recognize her better? And he did this thing on it and it still doesn't recognize me. So I don't know if it means I'm literally an alien and that's the problem. I mean, could be, I don't know. Oh my gosh, I just realized, guys, I'm wearing a NASA t-shirt using an alien palette. Freaky. Speaking of aliens though, I have a vlog up on my channel, a little like short film, if you will, on me visiting NASA. I vlogged being there and they have an alien there. Like 1000%, I had it confirmed, there's an alien there. Granted, it is bacteria that they found somewhere. But yeah, so like they have an alien there. And I tried really hard to find it, but it's in a, like a, what do you call it? Like confidential area. Like the regular public can't go to the area that they keep this thing in. Didn't get to see it. But I did get to touch a piece of the moon, and that was cool. Even though I think it's probably fake. Because, you know, like, how can I just touch a part of the moon and it not melt my finger or something? Like, I don't believe that. That's a bunch of shenanigans. But I digress. So go check that out because it was really fun and fresh. Is that a bruise? Ow! That's 100% a bruise. Well, we know it's not lip filler. Jesus, these tiny little biscuits. Speaking of, if you have tiny little lipperoons like I do, I've also got a video on that. How to fake looking like you have lip injections, like in your Instagram photos and things like that, that people really care about. It's like real hard-hitting news these days, so check that out. So now I'm going to take the shade Pluto right here on a Royal & Langnickel brush, the one that I always use to highlight my brow bone. That's what we're doing, by the way. And I'm going to put it right here underneath of my brow, you know, like on my brow bone so we can highlight it. And then I'm just taking this brush without any extra product on it, like this big fluffy one that I was using for the lime green shade, and just blending because I don't like a super harsh like line for my highlight. And then I'm going to take the same brush and like boop it right here. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take a tiny bit of this Lottie London AM to PM kohl liner. I'm going to just like smudge the tiniest amount on there so I can put false lashes on, but they still blend even though I don't like want a ton of liner. Like, you know what I'm saying? Even though these lashes pretty much cover the whole look and I kind of failed there. There, see, like so tiny amount. I thought I'd be a lot more chatty in this like get ready with me style video, but I'm not, so there's that. I'm drinking wine. That might honestly be why I'm shaking, truthfully, because, you know, I was like in liver failure 2 weeks ago. Oh, big news. I guess you know, this is kind of crazy. I dyed my hair-ish. I toned it. Well, I also bleached it first. But okay, we're gonna call it dyed. I dyed my hair for the first time in, I think, 2 years. And I really like it. And I had 3 inches cut off of it. And I almost had a panic attack sitting right there on the chair. I've never in my life thought I was gonna care about cutting my hair, but I did then. So I know I'm not gonna be able to cut my hair short ever again. Like, I'm just stuck with this obscenely long hair for the rest of my life. Anyway, but I'll be like 1000% real with you guys. I have never, yeah, I can say that confidently. I have never been to a hairstylist and actually liked the end result. I mean, I've been like, yeah, I mean, it's okay, you know, not my favorite thing, but like, it's okay. Ooh, real quick, I'm gonna grab the Ghost OG shade on this Sigma Pencil E30 brush. So like, most of the time, whenever I get my hair done by, oh, I'm putting it in the outer corner, by the way, just like a smidge here. Yeah, but whenever I get my hair done by like a professional, which truthfully is not often because, you know, like I say, I usually don't like it. Almost every single time I've went home and like done something to it myself, like whether I've highlighted it or I've toned it or like whatever. I don't think I've ever been satisfied with like stuff I've had done at a salon. So I don't go to salons. I literally do everything myself. And for the most part, like I think I do a pretty decent job. Like, I mean, I'm not a professional. I know that. So like, you know, a professional may look at my hair and be like, ooh, girl, no. But like, I'm okay with it, so I don't care. I just took the tiniest amount of liquid liner here on the end to help conceal the lash band a little bit better. Even though it does kind of make it look like I have 10 pounds of liner on, even though I don't. It's just the price you pay, I guess, so. Well, imagine. Oh, hey. I'm back. All right, I'm going to take this Flying Saucer shade on a teensy Luxie 141 mini round brush. But anyway, thoughts that I was having. Really want Botox. Why did I say that with such an accent? Botox. I really want Botox. But yeah, like any of you guys ever had Botox before? Like, your girl is interested. But yeah, like I discovered, I mean, not that it's a new thing that I'm discovering, but like I literally have like a subway system on my forehead and I'm kind of over it. So I want to get rid of it. It's kind of to be expected. Like I have like a good amount of acreage up here, but like I'm kind of over it, you know? Let me know, like what was your experience? Like, did you love it? Did you hate it? Would you do it again? Also, like, how much is it? Like, is that a bad thing to ask? So I'm going to take some of the Abduction shade, that like lime green shade, on a Luxie 121 mini tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to do one of these. Look at the edge of it. Oh, that looks dope. Oh, I was 100% inspired by a photograph of our queen, Jeffrey himself. There we go. Like, can you see that? Ugh, ring light, stop. Is it the same? Not really. But, like, you know, inspired. So, I think that's all I'm going to do with that. So, let me finish up the rest. I, like, put on mascara and a lip and, like, fix this situation right here. And then I'll come back and tell you what I think of this palette. I didn't realize I was reviewing it until right now, but, I mean, I guess I kind of am because it is my first time playing with it. And I swatched almost all the colors before I started playing with it. And I really liked it. Hello? What do you think? Do you guys like this? Do you like the outcome? I am so sweaty, my hair is curling underneath. Yeah, but I might be having a heart attack. My chest hurts, my heart feels like it's beating weird. I'm really sweaty and I'm out of breath. So, if I die, I mean, hey, it's been a good run, guys. Remember me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial on this look. I really like how it came out. Like, I would 100% wear this out to the grocery store. Like, I don't care. Guys, I have been living for this ultra pale lip. I mean, I realize it doesn't look good on everybody, and it may not even look good on me, but I'm really digging it. Like, I really, really, really like it. Thanks so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Hello to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing, and I'm so glad to have you. Please don't leave me just yet. I swear to God, I'm not this weird in every video. That could be a lie, I don't know, but hey, you're here, so you'll find out. I've lost all hope at gaining any new subscribers from this video. If you guys have found this video smidgeling entertaining, please subscribe, okay? Like, I mean, I'm not everybody's cup of tea, and like, I realize that, but heck, I might be yours. I could be your kettle. Click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell if you're feeling really frisky, just so you get notified every single time that I upload, and we can hang out together, and I can just... Thanks again for tuning into this video, guys. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!